Here the goal is to solve by graphing. So this guy is y equals mx plus b. So we're going to cross the y-axis at -1. And from there we're going to rise 2 and run 3. Rise 2, run 3. That line's done. Now, I have to graph x equals 6. X equals 6 is a horizontal line. Sorry, vertical line, if I could talk. Done. The graphing is done. It says graph the equations, then type the solutions. The solution is right here at 6, 3. I was going to teach a lesson on this, but I'm just going to have you do it in Excel. That way you can do it when I'm not here. Solve this system of equations by graphing. First graph the equations, then type the solution. Same deal as before. This guy crosses the y-axis at 5, has a slope of rise 5, run 3. That one's done. Now I'm at -x minus 3. Cross the y-axis at -3, fall 1, run 1. Done. There's my answer. -3, 0. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'm going to bump it up a notch. Because I know you guys don't want to watch a video of me. Yeah, I was hoping we'd get some standard forms in here, but nothing. Let's play with this one for a while. +1, rise 4, run 5. Down 6. I had a smudge on my screen there. Oops, got to choose the equation. Cry has a y-intercept of -6, and she falls 3, and then she runs 5. There's my intersection at -5, -3. Finally, something that requires you to do a little bit of work, right? Finally. So, let's take a look at this one. So that first equation, you would put the x on the left, and then you would divide by the negative symbol. And that's what it looks like, x minus 6. That's if you're going for slope-intercept form. So fall 6, and then your slope was to rise 1, run 1. The other one doesn't need anything. That's -2x plus 0, so 0 is your y-intercept. Fall 2, run 1, and there's my intersection, 2, -4. Fantastico. These still aren't requiring any work. I'm really hoping we'll run across something in standard form. This is what I've been looking for, something in standard. We'll need to manipulate both of these equations. I don't know how you guys want to do your standard forms. It's really up to you. You guys probably just want to do y equals mx plus b, even though it's slow. But you guys do things weird. All right. So that -y plus 1 is x. Well, -y equals x minus 1. Divide out your negativity, and y is a -x plus 1. So we have a y-intercept of 1 with a slope of -1. That ought to do it for that guy. Then we have this dude. That dude needs to be messed with. Make this font bigger for y'all. So the first thing that I would do if I was doing y equals mx plus b is I would jump that 3x over. That changes its sign. Then I would divide out the -6. Then, of course, reduce the fraction. That's me. What do I know? There's my equation. Y-intercept of -2, slope of -1/2. So fall 1, run 2. And there's my intersection, 6, -5. Good work. Is there a higher level to this? Because these are all so easy. No, they just keep messing with things. So let's take this to a 90-95. That'll do it, 90-95.